Remove all the waste from your colon. Deflate your belly and combat constipation with this powerful smoothie. To start this recipe, we will need a carrot, which we will cut into pieces. Then, in a blender, add the carrot and enough water to completely cover it. Cover and blend well. Once the carrot is blended, strain it and set the juice aside. Now, proceed to peel and chop a piece of papaya. Papaya contains numerous digestive enzymes, a lot of fiber, and some fructose, which can have a laxative effect in some people. Banana is a food that promotes the regulation of intestinal transit, especially in cases of diarrhea, but it will also help you if you suffer from constipation due to its high fiber content. In a blender, add the pieces of papaya and banana along with the carrot juice we had set aside. Cover and blend for a few minutes until the mixture is well blended. After that time, our smoothie will be ready. Drink a glass of this smoothie in the morning, and I assure you that you will notice the differences throughout the day. Let me know if you like today's recipe. Thank you.